Welcome everyone. Myself Anupama, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Aid College, Shirhatti. This is session 59 of Cost Accounting, BCom 5th semester, Karnataka University, Dharwad. This session is a revision of overhead cost control. In this session, I will discuss about the revision of classification of overheads, summary of distribution of overhead. So, what is the meaning of overhead? According to ICMA London, overhead is an aggregate of indirect material, indirect wages and indirect expenses. Weldon defined the overhead as the cost of indirect materials, indirect labor and such other expenses including services as cannot conveniently be charged directly to the specific cost units. Classification of overheads. Classification of overheads, it is done on various bases. The important bases of classification are the functional classification. In functional classification, overheads are classified into production overhead, administration overhead, selling overhead, distribution overhead. The second basis is element wise classification. Here the overheads are classified as indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. The third category, that is behavioral classification. Here overheads are classified as fixed overhead, variable overhead and semi-variable overhead. Now, meaning of allocation. Allocation refers to the charging of overheads of a particular cost center when such overheads have been incurred directly for the cost center. So, then what is the meaning of apportionment? Apportionment means the allotment in proportions of items to the cost centers or cost units. It is the distribution of cost of various departments on the suitable basis. So, principles of apportionment. Overheads are apportioned to various production and service department on the basis of the following principles. They are service or use or survey method or ability to pay method. Now, there are two stages for apportionment. They are primary distribution and secondary distribution. So, then what is the meaning of primary distribution? Overheads which cannot be allocated to a specific department or cost control, cost center are to be apportioned to various departments including the service department is known as primary distribution. Here overheads are allocated to both the production department and service departments. So, now what are the various bases of apportionment? So, overheads such as rent, rate, taxes, building expenses, lighting, heating, fire precaution service, they are apportioned on the basis of area occupied. The overheads such as canteen expenses, welfare, timekeeping, personal office supervision, they are apportioned on the basis of number of employees. So, compensation to workers, ESI and PF contribution, holiday pay, sundries, indirect wages, they are apportioned on the basis of direct wages. In the same way, depreciation of plant and machinery, insurance and repairs, they are apportioned on the basis of capital value of such assets. General overheads are apportioned on the basis of direct labor hours or machine hours. So such other power, steam consumption, lighting, internal transport, they are apportioned on the basis of technical estimates such as HP or kilowatt hours. So material handling or storekeeping, that is apportioned on the basis of weight of materials. Audit fees, that is apportioned on the basis of sales or total cost. In the next session, that is 60th session, I will discuss about the secondary distribution of overhead. Thank you.